Mechanic tip of the day. Hood won't open. Check it. We go ahead and pull the old hood popper. Cable's still attached. We can feel it on the back. Come over to the hood. It's not popping. Maybe you're alone. Maybe you're at the grocery store. Maybe you're at home. Let's grab a tool. All right, we got this pry bar rag on the end so it doesn't scratch the paint. And we're putting upwards pressure where the locking mechanism is in the center. All by myself, right? So we pop the hood now. Bada boom, pry bar fell out because it released the pressure. Now, boom. Now, how do we fix this from happening in the future? Most of the time, take a wire brush to your springs and everything. See how they're all gunky? Wire brush it, spray it down with peanut butter blaster, WD-40, whatever you like. Work it back and forth a few times with a screwdriver or open and close the hood a bunch of times. It should work for you in the future.